Yo, stocks 5150. We are still holding that trade. That trade. We swinging, and today we are down six and dropping. So we had a gap down overnight. That was due to Samsung. They gave bad. The earnings were good, but then they said something about AI. Oops, and it wasn't good. But what we're going to focus on today is today's SpaceX IPO. Not SpaceX IPO. SpaceX is included into QQQ. QQQ is at 714 and SpaceX is at 157. So what I'm interested to see is if QQQ is going to go up and if SpaceX is going to go up with that extra, which that'll be an end of the day thing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm down right now at the moment, but like I said, this is a swing. We holding on target to make. I'll probably hop out at. It'll be like five. I'll hop out up there. I don't even know if that's. Let me look at this again. We might not even. We got. What is this? Got close that one. Keep that one. 595. Yeah, we'll get out there. It's more up here at 600, but we'll get out right before. Yeah, 30,600 is the next. Is not the next target, but that'll be when we start looking at getting out. But we'll be done made 5,000 by then. Meanwhile, yesterday we made four, and we have given that almost all the way back. Now we're down 37 on the day. So still trading in the middle, kind of in the lower range, because this is our ranges right here from that drop, boom to boom. So we're in the middle, and PLC is right there. This is where I was hoping to get above. We touched it yesterday and pulled back. So sitting at a doji again, like I said, SpaceX is what I'm interested in. Not because I'm buying SpaceX, because I'm not gonna buy SpaceX, but because I just want to see if that's gonna if that's it's only gonna be 1% of QQQ, but I want to see if that's gonna make a difference. Like because it's gonna automatically be buying. If you buy QQQ, you're gonna be buying SpaceX, and so that's more money in the pot for SpaceX. And it's already starting to go up. It was at 157, now it's at 158. We're sitting out here. This is more like looking to me like a bear flag, not a bull flag. So I don't know, but I'm in the trade, yo. We're gonna stay. Mike off stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. I don't know how low this will go. We've been here before and we held it, so we'll see if we can thug it out. All right, or we could pop up. I don't know if that'll happen today though. Looks like it's gonna be more bearish than anything. And I could stop it and just trade. And I really want to see how this swing gonna work through July, which is insane. But that's what I want to do. Because if you look, um, yesterday, because we were up, we got 4,000. You see what I'm saying? So then we that brought us up balanced within the past 7 days, which is where we at. So we down 1,000 because we were down seven, then down 19, then we got two, then we got four. So we're still at 1,500 over the past 7 days, minus 1,500. So I don't know. The swings might work, might not, but we're gonna see. That's what we're gonna do for July. Hands off and trade. We're gonna just hands off and trade and see if we can handle this with these drawdowns. I think this is what Ian Dunlap does. It's already dropping and pulling though, so it's gonna be rough, tough, and yeah, I don't know if I have enough, but we'll see. All right, first 5 minutes is bearish. That's that range right there. We at the bottom. Let's see what the next what 15 has. So we could put a slight one right here. That's the first five. First five ORB right there. That's the range. So how much is it in between there that you could make if you were trading? Just look at naked eye. 181. Yeah, 181 points. 173 points. So it's money to be made in between there. 173 points, 0.58%. And that's the first 5 minute range. So it could sit here all day, which is not necessarily not good for me at all. Not necessarily nothing. That's not good. I would really like to see this break up and out, but I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. And it looks like it's gonna break to the downside, to be honest, perfectly honest with you. So this is gonna be a down day so far. Uh so far. SpaceX is at 154, so it's coming down. And QQQ is at 711. It's also going down. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how this all shakes out. Everything's selling off. And I think something happened with OpenAI. Something about chips and stuff, DRAM and all that crap, man. But we'll see. Yo, this some bullshit today. This swing trading is kicking my ass, dog. Man, we getting a little pop at the end here. But dang, down 9, yo. Trying to wipe out my account. Now, what I think might be happening, we can look over here. I'm back on the SpaceX and QQQ again. QQQ is at 709 and SpaceX is at, all right, market close. Let's see if we're gonna sell off or we're gonna pop a little bit to close. Probably gonna go down. I mean, we down so much, should be buying it. I don't know. But as far as the ranges go, if I was trading, I had could have had some opportunities to make some money. Like boom, one there, right there. That probably would have faked me out. But right there, one, and then short two, that would have been it. You know what I'm saying? But that's all day you got to sit through that right there. That range right there, that's crazy that it sat from 12 to 2:30. It just sat. But that's building out a nice shelf though. Now is this gonna be like if we look at it on a 1 hour, is this gonna turn out to be like a bear flag? Or are we gonna pop? We just consolidate. Look at it on the 4 hour. See, we back down here, we hit this low again, touched it. Tricky though, because see, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Previous times we were here, we pop. So I really would like to see that happen. You hear me with the wishful thinking? I really would like to see that happen. And I got an order up here. Way up here at 30,099. Let's put this more like 30,000. 9025. Yeah, we'll do it there. What would that be? About 9. All right. That's wishful thinking. For now though, in the real world, looking at this on the 1 hour, we're still here in this range between the top, this green, this from the drop down to here. So we're still in this range on the lower end and on the lower end of that range. So what happens overnight? Remains to be seen. We dropped 500 points, y'all. That's 1.78. That's almost 2%. It's crazy. Has dropped more. NQ don't play. We're getting a slight pop now. We down 6 on the day. All right, so 4 yesterday, 6. Man, that's gonna sting. What I need, what I'm hoping happens is this, that QQQ. I want. Let me look at it. Let me see. How does that work? Close. Uh, close that. Um, let's see. So QQQ. I mean, it's the same as SPY, so you can buy and sell that all day. It's not a mutual fund. Like a mutual fund, you buy and sell it at the end of the market. So ETFs can be bought and sold continuously throughout the day. Yeah. So, so the best time for ETFs, better pricing is between 11:30 and 2. All right. Well, we know what happened there. Market drop. It's just because the market is more stable. Yeah. Okay. That being said, SpaceX is officially wrapped up into QQQ now. And so SpaceX went down below its IPO. This is the lowest been. So what I'm thinking might happen is, oh, what else? What earnings we got too? We got some earnings. Samsung is over, right? Samsung is over, and Samsung kind of messed up everything talking about AI. They doing that so they can front run. Um, they understate it so they can do it better for the next quarter. All right, so what we got? We got today is July 7th. We got Penguin Solutions. That happened today. Um Impact Tool, Cara. Okay. After hours. These are all after hours. Tomorrow, what do we have? Levi Strauss. Levi Strauss and who else? Levi Strauss, Helen of Troy as that's Wednesday, July 8th. Price Smart, one of six. All right, so really, we got PepsiCo on Thursday, July 9th, and WD-40. I mean, nothing really heavy that should move NASDAQ, even though it's in NASDAQ. Pepsi's in NASDAQ. Then we got Delta on Friday. All right, so what I think is we're just pulling back for next week. Next week, the banks start, and we'll just stay down here low, probably all this week, all next week too, because that'll be the banks. That won't do nothing with, yeah, that won't do nothing. That won't do nothing. Wait, Thursday, we got Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor on Thursday, on the 16th. And Netflix. Netflix is in NASDAQ. But whatever. So we're getting a little pop, a little relief. That's good. So maybe we get a push back up. Like I said, SpaceX is at 148, so that's a good buy. People should start buying it and going back into it. QQQ is at 710, that's super low. Nvidia is at 196, that's super low. And SCHD is at 32, that is also super low. So, man, I know one thing. This swing trading is rough, yo. I did this not on intentionally, but I mean, it's cool when it's up, but when it's down, it's not cool at all. So we gotta get rid of this because this is from yesterday. Well, no, we'll keep it. We'll see if we get back in that range. We got back in that range once in the 4 hours period, but got a long ways to go, dog. So we down six on the day. Got 2 hours left to close, so we might can push back up with the market closing the next hour or so. As far as futures go, might sell back up. We close out like 500. That's I can manage that. Um, yeah, we'll see. People close out their positions. Buyers buy. Buyers buy. All those buying orders, those mutual funds and stuff that start buying when everything is low like it is. I do need to look at my E-Trade account. I kind of quit putting money into my E-Trade. I just said I'm just gonna focus on whatever's in my 401k and this future stuff and not worry about the rest of it. Actually, what I've been doing. We'll find out how that works out for me later. But as far as this goes, today it was a bloody day. I mean, gold all day. Not good, but it's cool. Security code. I gotta go get my phone. But that's it, yo. Stocks 5150. Market is down. We got another hour, so we're gonna hang out here. See if we come up, maybe get another 2,000 up. Close out at 5. That'll be perfect. So let's put this on the 15 minute. And yeah, swing trade. Swing trading is not for the faint of heart. I mean, all my profits got ate up today. Like I'm down now. Year to date, hit year to date. We had 3,000. Whew, look at that, the 12. It's cool though. It'll come back calm, calm. What was the mark to market? Mark to market yesterday was 46. So I got four yesterday. Eesh. Today's gonna be a tough one. But we got it. We good. We're good. All right. I'm gonna work out before I go to work, yo. So that's what I gotta do. Back at it. I'm back at it again. Back to being the best. Oh. I'll tell you what though, if this stream swing trading stuff starts working out for me, I mean I gotta get in a better position for one in the future. Well just let it run. Might do that. You know what I'm saying? Instead of 'cause like say you can get 434, let's just go for the day. But maybe not so many contracts either. Like six is ridiculous. I'm really like YOLOing right now. But it's all good. All right. Peace. Well, not really peace, but I'm gonna mute the mic. All right, yo. So it's 5 o'clock. Futures market is officially closed, and we are down $6,000. Six total, $8,000. 88, almost 9,000. Doing this swing trade. Swing trade is rough, like Tory Trade said. The drawdowns are ferocious. Hmm. I'm all the way up here. Basically, I went long at the top. Yeah, and I didn't even buy that then. I bought that here, and then we just dropped. This is back when I bought it. Boom. We were doing good. Went up. I bought it. Bam. And then it turned into a swing. So yeah, there it is. Uh, not really smartest. But we're gonna see how it works out. If it works out and everything pans out, and we get back to the top where I would like to get, then I'll get out of this mug at 30,400, and that is not the right number. I don't know why it does that. Yeah, it's saying it'll be $2,000, but whatever. Probably will be two because it'll be eight because it'll be the six plus that, so it'll be two. Yeah. So all right, fair enough. 30,400 is our target. We are at 29,400, so we got 1,000 points to go. Can it be done? Sure can. Sure can. But where we at right now is on the lower end of this range. We're still in the stuck in the same range from the drop. Still stuck here in this range between here and here. So we're just trending. Look at it on a 4 hour, and yeah, we're just trending. So earnings are coming up. And today SpaceX was officially accepted into QQQ, and they dropped along with everything else. So maybe tomorrow, what's today? Today is Monday. Is today Monday? No, today is Tuesday. Oh wow. So maybe tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, maybe we'll get a push up, you know? I don't know. Bank earnings are gonna be going on, so maybe take a I don't know what to say actually. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I hope that we don't go any lower than this. I hope this is our line in the sand and we stay above it. We held it today. We broke it once, twice, but we kind of came up and we ended on the 4 hour low, but on the daily, we are where on the daily we are just barcode low high, same equal high, and right there. All right, yeah. So time for me to start getting ready for work. Stocks 5150. And that's where we at, yo. Stocks are crazy. So we're gonna see how this swing plays out. And like I said, 30,925 is my target. This right here has 400 on there. I don't know why it says that 30,925 is the official order. Let me look and see. 30,925, yeah. So that other one must be something residual. Why is it in there? All right, so yeah. And what do we got for our mark to market? That'll play out later, but it's definitely gonna be low. That was 7, so we're probably gonna be down 8. Yeah, gonna run out of money. Gonna run out of money if we ain't careful. We shall see. We'll see what it is later. Yesterday we got 4,000, and today we're down. So hopefully, I don't like saying hopefully, but what I would expect is that we've hit this bottom range. We've held this range now on the daily for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've been in this range for a week, really longer than that since the 12th. So almost a month. So let's see how this works out for us and if we get us to pop up. I'm sure they're saving this for earnings too though. I really would like to be out of this before earnings, but I don't think I will be. So trading earnings again too. Savage life. Just gonna run it all out. Whatever I got, I'm gonna spend it. I don't care. Stocks are crazy. If it works out, I'll be happy. If it don't, yeah, I'll start over. It's all good. Stocks at 5150. We out. Peace.